All right, good morning, everyone. Going live again on our MNQ Futures. It is slightly past 9:30 Mountain Standard Time. I'm on the green for the day so far. I did trade earlier. I didn't trade the opening though, which is 7:30 Mountain Standard Time. And I'll take the small gains on each one of these accounts. Now, nothing like it was yesterday, of course, but the day is almost halfway through, so we'll see. I'm trading this lower account up here that's got $36 on it. It's a $150,000 account, test account, so I'm going to try to bring that up a bit. The limit for the day is 4,500. I did pass where this 666. The $666 in the green. That's actually another $150,000 account that's passed. So now I'm just doing in and out trades. I may have one more day left to trade on it, just an in and out. So, but it's $9,200 profit, our goal. So it's reached by over $200. So we'll be trading that one as a pro account in the coming days. So, all right. So as we stand right now, let me make that larger. As we stand, the market, the NASDAQ or micro futures are 218 points in the green today. On a 15-minute chart, let's see where we stand. It looks like it's going to be a downward trend. 3-minute dawdle in the middle, which we don't want to do. Let's see what does 1 minute look like. Crossover, coming up to the crossover. We'll put an entry at 280 maybe. So we'll get filled at 280 for one. And we are filled in for one at 280. See how far it comes down. This is our support. This looks like our trend line. How is everybody's day? I don't have to work today till later in the day, so but I don't think I'm going to be spending all day trading. I wanted to while we're sitting talking here or watching the market, I wanted to show this book right here. This is probably, I don't want to say the Bible of the Japanese candlestick charting techniques, but it's nigh to being that. Steve Neeson, according to this introduction there and his short bio, he was into trading in, I want to say, in the 60s, 70s. And then he came across Japanese literature on these interesting looking chart patterns instead of what used to be called bar right here. This is what everybody traded until he made these more popular. So this is what most of America traded, is this bar chart. And the Japanese ended up developing these candles. This is an actual proper Japanese candlesticks, not the Haikinashi, but and each candle represented certain development of certain patterns or belonged to certain patterns, like this right here, these two candles, the red and the green. This is called the bullish engulfing because the green candle engulfed the previous red candle. This is the bullish piercing. If this candle closes, well, it won't. But let's see, this is bullish engulfing nearly. And then with each pattern, they also kind of foretold the behavior. So, and if it's for instance, this is a bullish piercing. That was a positive sign of a trend reversal. This is a bearish piercing. That was a negative. So, and then there are certain patterns called like a hanging man or the morning star or the upside down hammer, and each one of those had a certain connotation to it, positive or negative. So and there are masters of this charting technique. So give me a sec, I think somebody's knocking at my door there.
Why can you not watch it?
You can.
From where?
From where?
Yeah.
From up here? You can come and watch me from up here? You can. Are you warm? Yeah?
This is like our stove.
It is, yeah. It's pretty warm, isn't it?
I do have this in here.
So that I don't freeze, because it gets pretty chilly overnight. So
it doesn't get cold in here?
yes. Yeah, it gets pretty chilly in the shop.
So you got this, and then you learned to put it in here.
Yep, exactly. I gotta stay warm.
To get this whole thing warm.
Yeah. Oh, that's why I put it right next to my desk here, so I can. I don't freeze. You don't want me sitting here with my icicles, do you? A little shivering all.
Like a popsicle.
Like a popsicle, like a snowman.
Yeah. This is all the honey from the bees.
It is, yeah.
And I miss our bees.
You do?
Honey. We want more honey from them.
Well, we do have some. We have some in the house right now. That's from our bees.
Can we take all of this honey out?
No, because we're not going to eat it all at once. So we'll probably just take some at a little at a time that we eat.
Yeah, like with tea.
With tea, yeah, or maybe sometimes on toast.
Yeah.
Mom make toast sometimes with honey on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, peanut butter and honey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Peanut butter latte. I don't like peanut butter.
You don't?
It's too, like...
It's too thick, isn't it? Or too chewy.
It's too thick.
Yeah, it is.
That's why I don't like it.
Right. Well, if you just use a little bit of it.
Yeah.
A little bit of it is usually good.
Yeah.
But not too much. Yeah.
I just like that much.
Like that. Mm-hmm. A little bit of just kind of a thin layer
Yeah.
of peanut butter on your toast.
It's kind of changed.
It is? What's kind of changing?
All those things.
Oh, mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, it was not very cold last night here, was it? We had a wood stove going in the house. But it warmed up a bit. Yep. Yep. And there you go. We just filled in for one. Second target got hit. We'll put this and raise that up. So now we are definitely a green trade. All right. Green trade. Are you going to learn how to trade too?
Nope.
Nope. Why? All right.
I want money from you.
You want money from me? Go get a job. Yeah. What do you mean you want money from me? I want money from you.
Then I'll give
Who's going to give me money?
$20.
$20?
$1.
How much money do you need to keep you happy?
Sometimes I need to go to college.
Sometimes you need to go to college? You can, yes. Yeah. Lord willing, you may.
I will sleep with Ellie.
Oh, Ellie's in college, yeah. Wonder how she's doing over there. Hmm. You think she's in class right now?
She's not far away.
Oh, she's pretty far away. She's several days away. Remember when we took a trip to go take her down to college? That was a long time. It took us almost a week to get down there. That's 5 days. That was a long time.
65 days.
65 days? No, not quite that long, but it was long enough. We took our big van up there, didn't we? With all the kids, all of us.
And all our backpacks.
And all of our backpacks. Did we get to see some cool stuff along the way? Yeah, we went to some pretty neat places. Remember we went to the Cars? We went to the Cars movie gas station, and where else did we go? We went to see remember those cars that were painted upside down in the ground? We went to see those cars.
I want to see
And you want to see them again?
Sometime, can we go get Ellie?
Well, she'll be coming soon for a summer break. Yeah, she'll be coming home for the summer break.
When is it going to be summer? style?
We haven't had spring yet. Yeah, we need to have spring first. And then summer.
Then can I jump on the tramp?
You can jump on a trampoline now if you wanted to.
Dad, you have to come with me.
I do.
Yeah.
I do. Yeah.
Because no one is out there with me. Can I unplug that?
No, probably not.
What? Remove that plug on. Then do, what will happen then? Ah!
And we're stopped out. Just it wasn't a scalpy as far as the amount of profit we made, but it really, we had to wait for that one. The moving averages and the stochastic. Let's see if it proves true to the downside along this way.
This in our house.
We should.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll have enough room in the house for this.
Just fit in my bedroom. Then you can come in my bedroom and trade.
You can come to your bedroom and trade?
Yeah.
That'd be, I would keep you awake. I would wake you up too early because sometimes I start doing it pretty early in the morning and you're snoozing like a bear.
Like,
You hibernate like a little bear.
like this.
Yeah. You snore. Do you snore?
No, you snore.
I snore? I don't know if I ever heard you snore, but I bet you heard me snore.
Yeah, I did. I'm gonna punch you.
No, we don't do that. Yeah, we don't do that. What, you got like a glove over there, looks like?
No.
Yeah, you look like you got a punching glove, like a boxing glove. But that's a strap. That's for strapping something down so it doesn't fall. That's what that is.
For like this.
Yep. Exactly.
Can this stick to the wall?
No, I don't think so. I think it sticks to itself. You can make it, oh yeah, see, you can open it like this. And, oh, look at that. Yeah, oops, it can open like this, and you can possibly put something in there like that, and you can do that, and see, it holds it, so you can put some down in there.
Like a finger out. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Then blow it all. Goes back up and down and up and down and up and down. What is that for? What is that mouse thing for?
Oh, just to keep a mouse out.
Why?
Because I don't want any mice here.
Why?
You know, sometimes they chew up my books, and I don't want them to chew up my books. See how many books I have up there?
Yeah.
We have a lot more books in the house, don't we?
Yeah. Then I'll just kick it.
You're just gonna kick the mouse because she's chewing up the books?
Yeah.
Well,
I'll knock her down.
yeah.
Punch you up.
Yeah.
Let me show ya. Yep.
I think you found a new toy there. It looks like a boxing glove almost, isn't it? Kind of like one Nolan has. Yeah?
This can do twice in a row.
It can. Twice in a row. Alright, so on 1 minute chart, there's quite a bit of indecision happening right here. But not on a 15-second. Shh. Hey, thank you. Alright, we got two. I'm going to place some profit targets. Now, another indicator that you might be watching is this Bollinger Bands. It's a little tiny dotted yellow line on both sides. And it can also work as a rubber band springboard. So when the price hits the bottom side of the Bollinger Bands, it tends to spring back at the top, spring down.
Daddy,
So it's climbing that Bollinger Band.
Daddy, what does that do?
Which one? Oh, that's for my microphone, which I don't have to use today.
Why?
So, because I can talk to my computer microphone and it works just fine.
Hello,
So,
Daddy. You say
there we
hello
go.
back.
Hello, buddy.
Where are you?
I'm right up here. All right, so we got crossover going on the stochastic. Hopefully, will come down and fill us for our profit targets. We got a crossover going on our averages right here, and red candle formed.
Daddy,
We'll see how far that will.
Daddy, can you come outside with me?
Oh, I'm working right now, buddy.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Why do you need this?
So it smells good in here. It's my air freshener, but I forgot. I forgot what I need to light it with, so I'm just gonna have to bring it next time. Remember, we bought these on our trip when we were going down to take Ellie to college. We bought these. So you put one like this right here, and you light it, and then it ends up giving you a nice little smell.
Did you light it?
I haven't yet,
Why?
but because I forgot the lighter, forgot the matches, so I'll have to do it next time.
Just do it after work.
Oh, I might have to do it after work, buddy.
Because you're off work.
Oh, no, yeah, but not for very long. I'll be going back to work later today.
Why?
Because you guys like to eat and wear clothes and sleep in a warm bed. That's why. Daddies and mommies sometimes work, but mommy just works at home, doesn't she? All right. Give me a sec, folks. Let me say farewell to my little guy here. All right. Well, that was a nice visit from my 4-year-old. All right. So where are we? So this should be where I'm placing the profit target. Should be the support. And excuse me, on a 1 minute chart with a nice crossover going down on the stochastic, but will we get the confirmation for that trend change, for a short trend change on our candles on a 1 minute chart? I don't know. It doesn't look like it wants to do that. And they say there is no market manipulation. Did you see what just happened? It did jump up when I placed that trade. It's a nice long green candle on a 15-minute chart. Would it come down to this level up here? And we're filled for one. Will it fill my other? It's going to be, and we got filled again. Alrighty. Do we chase the trades, the price? This is the support. Right here somewhere. I'll put a 1 right here. See if it'll bounce off of this support level right here. I would imagine it's somewhere right here. Just one. We've got a crossover coming up on the stochastic. We have, there we go, we got filled in for 1. Hopefully there's a crossover coming up on our moving averages. I'm going to put that in. So it's a green trade already. Come on now, bounce up. Bounce up. 28, 29. It's a tight, okay, see, I got filled. That was a really tight stop. That was a really tight stop. Come on, fill me in at 25. No. Wow, that's quite a push right off the bat. Quite a push. Do we jump on a moving train? Let's jump on a moving train. Let's see if we can break a leg. No, that's too much uncertainty on that train. Yep, too much. All right, we'll follow it down. See if it'll reverse to the downside for 5 points maybe. Come on. Where are we at on 3 minute? Crossover down on the moving average, just crossover on my stochastic. Will this trend continue? No, it didn't want to go down to the support level. There you go. Put trade profit target for 1. Come on. And oh, come fill me. You came so close to fill it. Come on. Look at that. Came within a fraction of my profit target. We're almost 280 points on the day for micro futures on NASDAQ. So there must have been good news that came out. People are liking what they're seeing. There are more buyers today than sellers, looks like. That is why people ask, well, what is the reason the market is going up? Because there are more buyers than sellers. All right, we are at the resistance level as well as at the high for the day. High for the day is 25,047. My guess is it will come up into this level of, yep, there we go, high for the day. So what are we doing? What are we doing here? And we filled for 1. Trail it down. I'm going to get rid of this. Trail my stop down. And finished in the green. And trend change. It's interesting to see people taking their profits at certain levels. Like right here, you can tell it starts dropping. It's because people took their profits. And then they're loading up, and all right, so we are 5 points in between our price markers. We can do 4 or 5 point profit on 1. All right, will you hit the high for the day? Maybe. It's quite a push. Look at that. From 945, 930. Quite a push to the upside. It's 986. That's nearly 20 points, 50, almost 60 points from 930. It's about half an hour. This is a half an hour frame time span, and we are nearly 60 points. It's not huge, and there have been moves where you had 60 points in one candle on a short time frame. So, but still. All right, we're going to put on profit targets just to have them in place in case there is a spike to the downside. So look at that. It's dancing around the resistance level. Can you see that? So this is our resistance level right here. So the price is just dancing around that. All right, come on, fill me for one. Hit my, there you go. Got one filled. And, oh, and I got filled for my second target. So it's we've been trading for about 35 minutes. 35 minutes, and we are $435 up for that account for 35 minutes of the trading session. Not bad so far. But see how choppy this is? I do not like that choppiness. Now, this is what we like to see. Just clear defined trends. Clear defined trends. All right, when you get into something like this is just choppy. So, best thing to do in a time like this is wait for definitive confirmation of a trend. Either your major crossovers like this. So there's a clear crossover of the moving averages right there, so you can see that. Oh, where is my drawing tool? I don't see it. Anyway, so that line right there. So there's a, all right, we want to get in on the action right now. I mean, that was a nice push. Look at that. 20, almost 25 points. 20 points. Now that would have been a nice capture. What time is it? A little after 10 o'clock. Woohoo! What is going on? Who's talking? Is somebody talking? Is there news that came out? Look at that spike. That's 30 points. 30 points in less than 60, 30, 60 seconds. What is going on? Put my profit target down below. $60 would be another, spikes up to that level. We'll take another trail. Scale in. Come on. Come now. Come down the extra 5 points. You've already jumped 40, 50 points. Come down extra 5 points and fill me for 10. I know you can. Crossover down. Nice green candle break of the trend. And no confirmation so far. Come on. Will people take their profits? People taking profits and selling off. Let's go. Come on. I don't like this bounciness. I don't like being in a position this high, for one. And there you go. I'm just going to get out of it. I don't like that too choppy. But I will risk one. I'll risk one on the way down. All right, now there's going to be a green trade no matter what. We'll just trail that down our profit target, and we just got hit. All right, so it looks like we're approaching into the oversold territory. Will this trend break right here? It possibly come to the break of this trend to go on the upswing. Let's take in 2. Come on, hit me for 2. There we go. We're in for 2. Place a profit target above. Actually, we can. All right, hit for 1. This is already a green trade. There you go. You know, when you are green on the day, so as you can tell right now, we're over $1,100 green on the day on all accounts. When you are green on the day on any account, there is a temptation to risk maybe higher positions just to see if you can luck out. The luck of the draw for a higher profit, but hold your horses and don't risk higher positions for the possibility of a higher gain. I'm going to put a sell for 2, just because this action is too jittery to the downside. And I'll put my first target down here, second target towards my support level, and up. See, we got an indecisive candle forming. Coming down to the crossover of the stochastic. We hit for 1. And second target hit. Let's risk a 3. See, that was not a confirmation. That confirmation didn't happen. Come on, push to the upside now. There's a nice crossover coming up to the crossover. Now this is only 2 points spread on my price markers. So nut cracking. Come on. Alright, I'll get off of that one. Too high of a position I do not like. I don't even care where it's going, but once I get my scalp in for that, that was about $70. That was a trend change. Let's see if we'll prove to the upside. There you go. I'm filled in for 1. Push, push, come on. Oh boy. Alright, fill me. There you go. Filled in for 1. Let's do another try. Let's see if we'll get filled right there at 49. Nope. Nope. Where we're gonna chase the. Okay, we're filled. Come on, give me some nice green candles coming up this way. Nice green candles. Let's go. And looks like it wants to turn on us like a bad puppy. All right, we'll trail that up. Now price usually opens about halfway through the other candle. We're filled in for 2. Will it trail us up? Let's go, let's go. All righty. Take me home, country road, to the place I belong. West Virginia, Alabama, take me home, country road. Highly recommend. Highly recommend taking a look at this book right here. Get educated on candlestick charting techniques. I think you should be able to pick one up on Amazon or eBay for about 70 bucks. Woo! Look at that nice action. Look at that. Is our support level, our support resistance level about this area. We are going to place a short for 2, coming up to the overbought territory in our stochastic. Pretty extended moving average. So I might actually raise it slightly higher to 168 even. See if it'll if it'll push up there. No, it doesn't want to. Look at that. It did come close to this, but didn't quite push through. Jumping on the moving train or no? Let's jump on the moving train. All right, we're filled for 2. Let's see if it'll, don't tell me I was right that it was going to come up to 68. Come on. Nice move to the downside. And alrighty, so come on, sellers, push it down, push it down. Should we place some targets? All right, target 1, target 2. No crossovers to the top side. Oh,